Hi there, we are group 15 from the Information Literacy module. This video is a part of our assignment that explores database navigation. The video explains how to use effective searching strategies and how to acquire information based on one specific topic. We were required to use the online database platform provided by Taylor's library, which includes several noteworthy searching platforms. We had to choose one specific database and use it to explore and gain information on our topic. Here are some steps you could follow in order to gain relevant and useful information on a specific topic. Our topic is plastic pollution and its effects on the environment. So let's explore. So step 1 is define and identify your topic. Selecting a topic is the most important part of a search, and you have to identify the important concepts of your search and choose keywords that describe these concepts. So we have already done that. Our topic is plastic pollution and its effects on the environment. So the keywords would be plastic pollution, effects, and environment. So step 2 is selecting your sources. It could be printed or online resources. We were asked to choose a resource in the database. So let's go to Taylor's library. So at first glance, you can see that they have a lot of information like quick links, how to, latest events, and also about, services, facilities, resources, user skills, events, and alumni. So after going into resource, you can see that there are several resources like online newspapers, open access resources, online databases, which we will be using, and also e-journals and e-books. So we have to go to online database. So you can click on online database. So when we click on online database, you will automatically come to this base, which has online databases starting from different alphabets. So from A, you can see that there are several A, B, C. So we have chosen Oxford Academic Journals. So the description says Oxford Academic Journals publishes well over 230 academic and research journals. And it also says that access to full content is not available at the moment. So we can go ahead and click Oxford Academic Journals. So you're redirected to the Oxford Academic Journals official website, where there are resources for authors, librarians, societies, sponsors, and advertisers. There's also latest articles in biological sciences, latest in literature and international law. These are some of the latest articles on those fields. You can also see that there are some news and new journals that are new to Oxford Academic in 2019. So there are several fields here which you can explore. And this is the search bar. So step 3 is determining which search features to use. It could include Boolean operators, it could include phrase searching or truncation. Boolean operators are single words that are used as conjunctions to combine or exclude keywords during a research, and as a result this produces more focused articles, more results, and also saves time. And phrase searching is used by placing double quotation marks around 2 or more words, keywords, to use and create a term or a phrase. This technique shows results with only the exact same phrase inside the double quotation marks. And truncation is a technique that broadens the search by including various possible word endings. So if you put a truncation mark on the effect, you can see articles that have the names effects or effecting. So to demonstrate this, I would like to use the Boolean operators not, and or. So for the first one, and, we can search by using pollution and environment. So we can go ahead and search that in our search bar. So when we search pollution and environment, you can see that there are 38,928 results for pollution and environment, and all the articles include the keyword pollution or environment. Pollution and environment. So each article has the name either pollution, polluting, or polluted, and also the word environment. Now, the second journal also you can see environment is there and also polluted is there. So each of these articles contain pollution and environment as a keyword in their title, and you can notice that all of these are journal articles. So I would also like to point out that you can search from the type of article. It could either be research article, book review, or meeting report. You can also search by subject, arts, law, medicine. There are also specific journals you can search for, like biosciences, forestry. So either field you can choose. And also you can choose the format, which is journal article or image. You can also modify your search by filtering the authors, full text, keywords, references, and also if you know the title. So moving on to the second example, we can use OR, which is plastic pollution or water pollution. So we can search that in the search bar. So when we type plastic pollution or water pollution, you get more results, more than 700,000 results, and all of these are journals. These are journals, and the journals, the results you get, they include the word plastic or pollution or water or pollution. So you can see one of example here, aesthetic surgery journal, which also has the word aesthetic plastic surgery. So it may or may not be relevant to you. There are journal articles with the word pollution in it or water. So any of the results can come up if you search by using OR. So the last one is not. So we can search using environment, not surrounding. So we can go ahead and type in that. So when we type environment, not surrounding, you get more than 400,000 results, and all of these are journals. So each of the results you got, you only get the word environment in it. So as you can see, all of the results have the word only environment in it. None of it has the word surrounding in it. This is how you can produce more focused results. And step 4 is choosing a relevant database. We have already done that. We only use the online databases. You can also use library catalogs or e-journals. And step 5 is the last step, evaluating what you find. So we can go ahead and type in our topic, which is plastic pollution and its effects on the environment. You may notice that by typing in the whole topic, it takes a bit of time to load because it's producing more focused results. We got 387 results for it. So by doing that, you get a lot of relevant articles that are more likely the ones you wanted to search for in the first place. And as you can see, you can modify your search from here, choose the field or the publication date. So there are several journal articles or articles here, and you can produce more focused results by choosing article type. So the last step is evaluating what you find. So after you get the results, you have to evaluate the sources and do the research. Thank you for taking the time to look at our database navigation video, and we hope you got a lot of information about it. Thank you so much.